Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight to the Options panel. First, open Power BI Desktop and choose File, then Options, and Settings, then Options. You need a current build because older versions lack a dedicated theme toggle. If you're signed in, some settings sync across devices. Once the Options window appears, focus on Global or Current File sections on the left. Make sure to save any unsaved work before changing interface settings, because some changes can refresh the UI immediately. Now you'll change the theme. In Options, check Global and Report settings. Depending on your version, the theme control sits under Global Display or Current File Report settings. Locate Theme or Color Theme and select Dark from the drop-down. Apply or OK to commit the change. Power BI will refresh the interface immediately so you can evaluate contrast and readability. If you use custom visuals, review them for legibility and adjust report colors as needed to maintain contrast and access. Finish by validating your reports on the dark background. You'll likely need to tweak measure cards, text colors, and visual backgrounds so data remains clear. If the theme didn't apply, close and restart Power BI, then reopen the file. That resolves most refresh issues. If problems persist, return to Options and switch back to Light, then reapply Dark to force settings. One key troubleshooting tip: check any third-party visuals, update or replace them if they don't support dark themes properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.